Hello! Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about constructing T-joints on 3 mm thick mild steel sheet in horizontal position by gas metal arc welding.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the T-joints as per specifications. Set and tack weld the job in horizontal position. Deposit the bead using stringer bead technique. Inspect for surface defects. Now let's look at the tools and equipments required for GMAW. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Let us see the pre-welding preparation of T-joint steps. Cut the MS sheet as per drawing. File the edges of sheet to square. Clean the surface of the sheet by carbon steel wire brush and filing. Set the T-joint as per specification. Wear protective clothing. Set the torch in the right position. Set current from 90 to 100 ampere. Corresponding wire feeding rate 3 to 4 meter per minute. Set 19 to 20 arc voltage and use dip transfer mode. Use 0.8 mm dia copper coated mild steel filler CCMS wire. To avoid distortion, tack welded joints are decreased to 87 degrees on the backside. Tack weld on both ends of the T-joint. Now let's see the welding process of T-joint in horizontal position by GMAW process. Keep the tack welded job in a horizontal position on the welding table. The gun is held perpendicular to the joint at an angle of 5 to 15 degrees forward to the direction of travel. Deposit the root run using dip transfer mode. Use stringer bead welding technique. Deposit the second run if needed. The torch movement at the edge of the top sheet of the T-joint should be controlled so that the edge is not melted off. The torch has to be paused when reaching the bottom toe of the weld for a short period so that the undercut, if developed at toe, is properly filled with filler metal. Maintain a uniform travel speed for the torch to get the required bead reinforcement, height, and appearance. Use the anti-spatter spray as and when the torch nozzle gets clogged with weld spatters. Note that if this is not done, the wire feed may be irregular, causing an unestablished arc. The carbon dioxide CO2 gas flow will not be uniform, causing atmospheric contamination of the weld and porosity. Clean the bead with a steel wire brush. Inspect the welded joint for any surface defects. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of the T-joint by GMAW process in horizontal position. Check for uniform weld size and proper reinforcement. Clean the welded area. Now, let's see the defects. Undercut. Porosity. Uneven bead formation. Spatter. Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare the T-joints as per specifications, set and tack weld the job in horizontal position, deposit the bead using stringer bead technique, inspect for surface defects. Thank you, students. Let us meet in the next session. Bye.